In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link Xbox Game Pass to Valorant Updated 2026 Guide. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can also use another browser if needed, but Google Chrome works well for this process. Once your browser is open, go to the address bar at the top and type account.riotgames.com/Xbox Game Pass link. After typing the full web address, press Enter on your keyboard to open the page. When the Riot Games linking page loads, look for the option that says Link My Xbox Profile. Click on that button to continue. This will start the account connection process between Riot Games and your Xbox or Microsoft account. Next, you will be taken to the Microsoft sign-in page. Here, enter the Microsoft account details that are connected to your Xbox Game Pass subscription. Make sure you are using the correct account, because the Game Pass benefits will only apply if the linked Microsoft account has an active subscription.